Alright, so we're on day 4 of the Bomb Squad Oz Invasion, and today was the prologue. Basically, that's qualifying. They had about a 5-mile course laid out and went out real fast. Kind of like a real flat T / super smooth motocross track. And they give you like one siding lap, then you went out and put your fastest lap in. Determines your start position for tomorrow. So I went out, I think I ended up 8th. Thought I had a real good run, but apparently there's some other guys that were going pretty good. Overall, out of like 550 bikes, I was like 71st or something. So just starting towards the front, but got my work cut out for me. The course is going to get really rough tomorrow. There's a big sandwich section that's in the middle of the track. I'm thinking it's going to get pretty nasty today. So, today was prologue. Tomorrow when we check in with you guys, we'll, have day 1 of the Finke Desert Race and get my feedback from that. I'll let you guys know how it goes tomorrow. And, we'll keep you guys updated on the GBC Bomb Squad Oz Invasion. So check it out.